What's up guys, Mr. Android here and welcome back to a brand new video on this channel. Well, in today's video, I will show you how you can easily install Google Camera 7 on any Android device. Well, it's a latest gcam that is leaked from Google Pixel 4. I will show you how you can install this Google Camera on any Android device which is running on Android Pie or above. Well, I'm using Redmi K20 in this video, but this gcam mod will work fine in most of the Android device which has a Snapdragon processor. So make sure you guys watch this video till the end. With that being said, hit that like button and let's get started. Alright, before I tell you how to install this Google Camera, I will quickly show you what and all the features that you will get in this brand new Google Camera mod. Guys, after opening the Google Camera, if you swipe down, you will have this kind of menu which has so many options, like you can turn on the HDR, you can even set the timer, and also there is an option to change the ratio as well. Apart from this new interface, you will also have the options like you can take the portrait shot or you can use the night sight as well. Guys, night sight is working fine on my Redmi K20, and if you want to take some amazing low light shots, then you can use this night sight. It is really effective. Also, you will get this lens blur, and there are some more options like you can take panorama shots and you can record slow motion videos as well. And if I just go to the settings, you will have some more options like you can record 4K videos, and you can also enable this option called video stabilization to record some stabilized video in this Google Camera. Guys, even though these options already exist in Google Camera, now you will find some more additional features like astrophotography, which lets you take some amazing low light photos. But to use this amazing feature, you need to have a tripod or a gimbal with you. Now I will show you how you can install this Google Camera in your Android device. All you have to do is just go to this video description, and there you will have a direct link. Just follow that link and there you will find different APKs for this Google Camera. I will recommend you to try all the APKs. I am pretty sure any one of that APK will work fine on your device. So guys, definitely go ahead and download this Google Camera for your device. And also let me know which feature you like the most in this brand new version of Google Camera. So that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys like this video, then be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. I am Mr. Android and I will catch you guys in the next one.